To download the ORS 2024 mobile app, grab the QR code from either the frequently asked questions or signage on site. When prompted for the passphrase, please enter ORS 2024. Welcome to the ORS 2024 Annual Meeting mobile app. We're currently on the home page. The center map thumbnail is a completely interactive Google map, just as you would pull up on your phone for directions, etc. You can zoom in to see what's in the immediate area of the Long Beach Convention Center. Beneath that thumbnail are 4 quick links for the most frequently accessed information. Registration will display the location, days and hours of registration. Same with Speaker Ready Room, Exhibit and Poster Hall, and the Wi-Fi password, and also the network. In the upper left-hand corner, the horizontal lines represent the menu. Click that to pull up the main menu. And here there's an array of information: emergency, links to emergency policies, procedures, maps, and we do recommend you familiarize yourself with those. The Long Beach Convention Center maps, the floor plan, again, pinch and zoom. If you use the drop-down menu, you can get additional maps. The exhibit and poster hall, if you're looking for any booth number, you can just zoom in and to find the location. And again, the first aid and AED map is also uploaded to the maps, as well as under emergency. We're going to skip down. If you'd like to reserve the quiet room, just click on this and click schedule a meeting. The quiet room you will see is available Friday through Tuesday, the duration of the meeting, and you can schedule your time there. Notes are available under every session, but also if you wanted to make additional notes or notes that don't pertain to a particular session, you may do so here. If you receive a notification, you will be notified, and it will show under notifications like a regular email. Connections, you'll be able to connect with colleagues and other meeting attendees once everybody takes part in the app. ORS Twitter, a direct link. I am not currently logged in, but if you're logged in, you could directly link to Twitter. ORS meeting policies and information. Again, we ask that you take a moment to familiarize yourself with this. It includes the Code of Conduct, the filming and recording policy, disclaimer, waiver, FDA information, CME information, and also a link to join ORS if you're not already a member. Sponsors and supporters are listed here, and you are able to click in for a description and a link to the website where available. Exhibitors are also listed under exhibitor and work in the same manner. We're going to use cell scale as an example. All exhibitors will have the booth number, an email contact button to the exhibit contact, on-site contact, and this one has the additional button to schedule a meeting. The description, the link to the website, exhibit booth personnel, exhibit contacts are located beneath that. Search abstracts and authors. This works very much like the full abstract search on the ORS website, but this is specific to the 2024 annual meeting. You can search by paper poster, session number, category, abstract title, presenter, co-authors, keywords up to 3. It will display a grid as shown below with the paper poster number, abstract title, PDF. We're going to search Kurt Hankinson, and if we scroll to the bottom of the list, you can see that he is involved in 9 abstracts being presented at this meeting, and you can click the PDF button to view the PDFs. Papers and posters. We're going to start with the papers and the podium presentations first. There are submenus a complete numeric list, 1 to 356, and then the late breaking in the 2300 series at the end, 2339 to 2346. If we go back, isolated are the late breaking, that same list. NIRA and spotlights are each isolated in case you just wanted to focus on those. Posters, we have poster session 1, NIRA posters isolated, poster session 2, and then late breaking posters. Poster session 1 and 2 work the same way. If you click in, you get to the poster session topic and then subtopics. Controlled release, here are the abstracts that fit those categories. If you click on it, you get the number, the complete name, an email contact button to the presenter, the authors, the keywords, the presenter, a link to the abstract, again, pinch and zoom, a link back to the controlled release subcategory. Late breaking is a little bit different. We have late breaking 1 and 2, and these are numeric lists for each session. The schedule at a glance is the daily listing that you're accustomed to. This is linked, so it's constantly updated, has the most current information. If you'd like to download the PDF, you may do so from the ORS website. The meeting schedule. The meeting schedule functions on a daily basis, Friday through Tuesday, with each activity during the day. We are going to start with our first full day, which is Saturday. Podium session 1, bone injury and healing. You can see the map. We'll take you directly to the location of that particular session. Listed below are the abstracts and papers that pertain to that particular session. Click on it, number, the name, the email contact to the presenter, the list of authors, keywords, the presenter, the abstract, and back to the session. You can just click the back arrow when you want to get right back to the main menu. If you want to add this session to your personal schedule, click the plus sign. You can set a reminder if you'd like. If you don't need a reminder, you can see it's been added to your schedule. It turns into a check mark. If you go down here to my schedule, it will show that it was added to your schedule. If you go to my schedule from the main menu, you can see that it's added there. If we go back to meeting schedule and go to the Art of Grant Writing, for example, the session description, and you can see some names have asterisks behind them. That is an indicator that the person is involved in more than one session during annual meeting. You can click that name and the additional responsibilities will display. If you'd like to search, click the magnifying glass up above. I searched meniscus, and these are the sessions that come up that pertain to meniscus. So that is the functionality of the 2024 annual meeting app. We hope you find it to be a very useful tool, and we certainly hope you enjoy your time on site in Long Beach.